Are you still facing losses or don't have the capital to trade in the Forex market? Don't worry. If you want to start trading without any investment, you are in the right place. In today's video, I will introduce you to a broker offering a $20 no deposit bonus in 2025. Let's get started. But before we move towards the broker, I request all of you to watch this video till the end so you can follow all the steps and successfully claim your $20 no deposit bonus in 2025. Step 1. Verifying the bonus. First, take a look at this chat I had with the broker's support team regarding the no deposit bonus. They responded positively and asked for my MT4 account number. After providing it, they confirmed that they would verify my account as soon as possible. Step 2. Introducing the broker. Now, let's visit the broker's website. The name of this broker is Firewood FX, and it is offering a $20 no deposit bonus in 2025. Firewood FX $20 welcome bonus. This $20 welcome bonus allows you to trade on the Firewood FX platform risk-free. You can even withdraw the profits earned from the bonus, and no deposit is required to start trading. How to claim the bonus? 1. Open an account using the provided link. 2. Select the bonus account type, and the bonus will be credited automatically. Stay tuned. I will explain everything in detail, so don't miss any steps. Terms and conditions. I will now highlight 10 important terms and conditions, while the remaining terms can be read on the broker's website. 1. The bonus account will have a starting balance of $20. 2. The welcome bonus is available only for new clients. 3. The bonus account follows Firewood FX ECN pricing, with a maximum lot size of 0.01 per order and a limit of 5 open positions. Expert advisors, EAs, are not allowed on the bonus account. The leverage is fixed at 1:3000. The Forex copy feature is not available for the bonus account. 4. Clients can withdraw their profits within 30 days after the bonus is credited, but they must first complete 2 eligible lots. 5. Only trades closed beyond plus or minus 5 pips are eligible for lot calculation. For XAU/USD, gold, the equivalent is $5. Only Forex and gold trades count towards the requirement. 6. The maximum withdrawal amount is $20 if no deposit is made. 7. To request a withdrawal, the client's contact information and KYC documents must be verified. 8. The bonus and any profits will expire after 30 days if not withdrawn. 9. If no trade is closed within 5 days, the bonus and profits will be terminated. 10. Partners will not receive rebates from the bonus account. Account opening process. Step 1. Register your account. 1. Click on the claim option. 2. Fill out the registration form correctly. Full name. Email ID. Password. Country. Phone number with country code. Skip IB option. Leverage 1:3000. 3. Submit the form. Step 2. Confirm your email. You will receive a verification code via email. Copy the code, excluding PWGE-, and enter it in the required field. Once confirmed, a new window will display your MT4 account details, including account ID, trading password, investor password. Simply log into your MT4 account with these credentials. Step 3. Verify your account. To claim your $20 no deposit bonus, you must verify your account by uploading CNIC, National ID card, selfie with CNIC, proof of address. Once your account is verified, you will successfully receive the $20 no deposit bonus. That's all for today's video. Let's meet again in another no deposit bonus update. Thanks for watching.